Hello, everyone. Today is October 28th. It's Wednesday. Um, we're moving through the week again. I cannot believe how quickly the weeks go. Seems like they fly by. Okay, so today, yesterday we didn't have a do now. Today you will have a do now. The do now will be, we talked about the word donor. Okay, so the donors were thanked because they blank. Okay, so here's some examples. Because they raised money for the new team uniforms. Because they donated money for disadvantaged children to attend summer camp. Because they contributed to the scholarship fund. Okay, so the donors were thanked because they blank. All right, there's a lot of different ways that you can be a donor. You can donate money, you can donate time, you can donate things that you own. You can donate your organs, things like that. Okay. All right. So now we're pushing into this is page 56. We're pushing into the fight against child slavery. Okay. So the word pursue. If you pursue something, I always think of it as like when you're talking to somebody and they say, "I'm going to pursue a degree in nursing." Okay, or I'm going to pursue a degree in business. All right. Sometimes one of my favorite movies of all time is called The Pursuit of Happiness. Okay, and it's based off of this root word right here. I don't know if any of you have seen that, but it's basically about a man who um, he is very, very poor. Um, he's trying to take care of his family. Things are not going his way at all. It has Will Smith, if you're familiar with Will Smith, but um, he's trying to take care of his wife and his little boy. His wife takes off on him. He has his little boy, and he's doing everything he can. He's really smart, but he's just had some bad luck. He's doing everything he can. He's pursuing happiness, and he's pursuing a good job so that he can take care of his family. It's called the pursuit of happiness. Okay, so that's something that comes to my mind. Okay, or when you're hunting, it's you're pursuing a deer or an elk or a duck, whatever you're hunting. Okay, it's a pursuit. You're chasing after something. You're trying to get to it. You're trying to, pursuing a career in basketball means that man, you're chasing it. You're playing as much as you can. You're practicing, things like that. Okay. All right. Excuse me. Okay, so the word pursue means to try to get to something that you want. Okay, to try to um, get to something that you want. What career would you like to pursue? I would like to pursue a career in blank because I enjoy. Excuse me, I'm yawning again. I would like to pursue a career in teaching because I enjoy working with students. Okay, something like that. I want you to fill in yours. Okay, the word establish. It's a verb. Okay, to establish means to start a project or to start a relationship. It could be any of those. Okay, but when you establish something, it's something that wasn't there before, and you start it. Okay, you get it started. Okay, if I establish a relationship with someone that I don't know, that means to start a friendship or a relationship, um, or an association. We've used that word, association, to start an association with someone or something. Okay, I really like that. To start an association with someone or something. Okay, I like that a lot. What type of student organization would you like to establish? I would like to start or I would like to establish an organization or a blank club, a hockey club, because many students want to skate around and try hockey. Okay, I don't know. I don't think that's very true around here, but maybe it is somewhere else. I would like to establish a hunting club because many students want to learn how to hunt. I would like to establish a outdoor club because many students want to learn about the outdoors. Okay, so establish means to to start something, right? Okay. All right, so that's your vocab for today. Let's go ahead and we're going to read The Fight Against Child Slavery. Okay. After escaping from slavery, James Kofi Annan learned to read and write. He completed his university education and got a job at Barclays Bank of Ghana. He saved enough money to pursue his dream of establishing a charity to help other child slaves. In this interview, Annan speaks about his work. Okay, what does the Challenging Heights charity do? So this is the question that they asked to Annan. When I started the charity in 2003, my purpose was to help children defend themselves against trafficking, create awareness, and promote education, and to create education among former child slaves. We started with 5 children, and within a year we had grown to 100 children. When we grew to over 1,000 children, donors began financing Challenging Heights. You're nominated for the World's Children's Prize. How does it feel to have your work recognized? Annan says, I've won 8 international awards and it's very important to me. It feels like a real feather in my cap. I live a very lonely life, one in which every minute is spent thinking about the children. When I see them, I feel revitalized. Witnessing their program, as well as receiving recognition of this nature, adds enormous energy and motivation to my work. Okay, so he was nominated for these things, so he was officially recommended someone for a prize or honor. So he was recommended to win a prize or an honor. And revitalized means to have new strength or energy. You guys keep hearing me yawn. I need to get revitalized so that I have some new strength and energy, right? Okay. All right, moving on. Okay, the next question was, so you can see here, guys, a picture. The Challenging Heights School serves more than 700 students. Many have been rescued from child slavery or child labor. How are children's rights treated in Ghana now compared to when you were growing up? He says, we've made some progress. Over the past 15 years, the government has put in place both the Children's Act to protect the rights of children and the Human Trafficking Act. We now have a national plan of action to eliminate child labor, and these are all positive steps forward. But we still have government officials who do not believe that child labor exists in this country. That is very difficult to work with, because if the person does not believe the issue exists, we have a long way to go. What's your vision for Challenging Heights? This organization must be a strong international platform for children's rights and child protection. I want to have the opportunity for us, as well as other children's charities, to join in an effort to advocate for the rights of children. I believe that the government has the ultimate responsibility for the protection of children, and I want Challenging Heights to be in a position to put pressure on the government to tackle this. We're not there yet, but we will get there. Okay, so human trafficking. The other day I said that we still have slavery and issues in our world today, right? Okay, so human trafficking is the practice of buying and selling human beings. Okay, and then the word eliminate, to get rid of something that is unwanted or needed. Okay, to eliminate is to get rid of something. All right. Okay, don't worry about the closed reading. We'll finish that tomorrow. All right, let's stop right there for today. I'll upload this. And so page 56, you'll have a do now today. You'll have page 56, and you'll have the video. Make sure that you're getting on the student application. Okay, student application. Um, and make sure you're taking care of some of that. All right. Thanks so much, guys.